Hello everyone. Today we look at multi-step equations. So whether you are in middle school, high school, homeschooling, or just reviewing a quiz or test, this lesson is for you. We are going to start right away with the two-step verification. Just a review. Example 1, 2x plus 5 is equals to 17. To get the value of x, we're going to have 2x is equals to 17 minus 5 after we have taken 5 to the other side. Therefore, we'll have 2x is equals to 17 minus 5 is 12. To get x, we divide both sides by 2. After simplifying, the value of x will be 6. The other example, 3x minus 7 is equals to 12. To get the value of x, we will have 3x is equals to 12 plus 7. After 7 crosses the sign, crosses the equal sign, it changes sign. So we will have 3x is equals to 12 plus 7 is a 19. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 3. After simplifying, we can have our value as a 19 divided by 3, which is a 6 and a third. That is the value of x. So this is just a review of a two-step verification. Two-step verification. Now let's look at multi-step verification. Multi-step verification. It's quite easy. I'm going to explain everything in details. Example number 1. 4 into bracket x plus 3 is equals to 28. To get the value of x here, we are going to start by opening the parentheses. 4 times x is 4x, then plus 4 times 3 is 12 is equals to 28. This is now a two-step verification or equation. So we will have 4x is equals to 28 minus 12. 12 will change sign. Therefore, this is 4x is equals to 28 minus 12 is 16. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 4, so that we will have our value of x as 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 is our answer. You can look at the second example. What if we have a number like negative 2 into bracket x minus 5 is equals to 18? How can we solve this question? In the same case, you open the parenthesis. Negative 2 times x is a negative 2x. Then note one thing here. We have two negative numbers, negative and negative. It will become positive. When you multiply two negative numbers, the result should be positive. So negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10 is equals to 18. This will be negative 2x is equals to 18 minus 10. The 10 will cross the equal sign. Therefore, this will be negative 2x is equals to 18 minus 10 is 8. To get x, we divide both sides by negative 2 by negative 2, such that when we simplify, the value of x will be 8 divided by negative 2 is a negative 4. So that is our answer. Let's look at the third example. 3x plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 24. How can we solve this question? We start by collecting the like terms together. This is it. 3x. You can see we have two like terms here, 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 we can add to get 9. So plus 9 is equals to 24. This will be 3x is equals to 24 minus 9. 9 crosses the sign. This will be 3x is equals to 24 minus 9 is 15. 15. To get x, we divide both sides by 3, so that when we simplify, the value of x will be 5. Another example. Example number 4. What if we have 5 into bracket x minus 2 plus 3 is equals to 18. Let's solve it. We again open the brackets. 5 times x is 5x, then minus 5 times 2 is 10, then plus 3 is equals to 18. This will be 5x. Collect the like terms. What is minus 10 plus 3? Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. So minus 7 is equals to 18. This will be 5x is equals to 18 plus 7. This sign will change. This in turn becomes 5x. 18 plus 7 is 25. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 5. So that after simplifying, x will be 5. So that is our answer. Example number 5. What if we have x over 4 plus 6 is equals to 10? How can we solve it? It's a fraction. The same concept. It will be x over 4 is equals to 10 minus 6. I will take 6 to the other side. This in turn will becomes x over 4 is equals to 10 minus 6 is 4. To get the value of x, we multiply both sides by 4, so that when we simplify this, we will remain with x is equals to 4 times 4 is 16. Example number 6. When we have 2 into bracket x plus 4 is equals to 3x minus 2. How can we solve this question? We open the brackets. 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 4 is 8 is equals to 3x minus 2. Then we collect the like terms together. You can see we have 2x and 3x here. So you can decide to bring 3x to the first side or 2x to the front side. This is what we will be having. If we bring 3x to the first side, this will be 2x minus 3x. Yeah, brought 3x to the front side. Then is equals to negative 2 remains there, then minus 8. Taking 8 to the front side after equal sign. 2x minus 3x is negative x is equals to negative 2, negative 8 is a negative 10. The negative sign will will cancel out. So our value of x will be 10. This will be our answer. You can look at some practice exercise for you. Some practice exercise. Question 1. Question 1 is 6 into bracket x plus 2 is equals to 48. You can try out this question. The answer should be 6. 6 should be the answer. You can also try out this question. 4x minus 7 plus 5 is equals to 26. The answer should be 7. Another revision question. 7 into bracket x minus 1 is equals to 35. The answer should be 6. You can try out this revision question. Let me add for you another. X all over 5 plus 8 is equals to 14. The answer should be 30. Then lastly, 3 into bracket x plus 5 minus 4 is equals to 20. And after solving this, you should get your answer as 3. If you like personalized help, I also offer one-on-one or group online math classes for students following US school curricula, including Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Pre-Calculus, SAT Math, and Middle School Mathematics. So whether you need help with homework, preparing for quizzes and exam, or build confidence in math, I'd be happy to work with you. You'll find more information about the online classes in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and a happy learning. Bye.